My name is Fernando Selman. I am a staff astronomer here at PARANAL. I'm actually the only Chilean staff astronomer at PARANAL. And I am an instrument scientist of one of the instruments you have in this console, which is called MUSE, which is a very special instrument, one of the latest generation instruments that have arrived here in PARANAL. Very powerful instrument, which is called a 3D spectrograph that's going to be used for studying the large-scale structure of the universe at very high redshift. It's a very versatile instrument because it can also be used to study stars in our galaxy. So we will be observing from stars and planets in our galaxy to very distant galaxies in the very far universe. My particular area of research is about star formation and massive stars in particular in the Milky Way and in the Magellanic Clouds. And I also do some work on some very strange kind of galaxies in the Virgo cluster of galaxies. So it's wonderful to be able to work in a place like this because you're with the best instrument under the best skies in the world, okay? And so it's really a big satisfaction. And all of the science that we do here in ISO, it's something that is going to be sort of a gift for humanity in general because it's open. Everybody can have access to these images, access to the research that we do. This is not something that the observatory charges anybody to do it. Actually, the observatory grants time to anybody from the world if the projects are good enough. And this is a very intense place to work, as you probably have seen. This observatory works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day of the year, including Christmas and New Year. And sometimes we have to be here for Christmas and New Year. So it's a great place. Among other things that I do have to do with some outreach activities in the area around the observatory because I thought it was a little bit bad that we have the images from the sky going to our computers and then to the fiber optics directly to Europe without having an influence on the people here. So right now we're doing some very nice work with some school teachers in the areas here in the north, trying to reach children here and telling them what we do, why we do, to let them know the universe and to appreciate it because astronomy, it's a wonderful science that have the power to make the kids enthusiastic about the universe, science and everything. So it's a pleasure actually to do all of these things.